Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to find your lost AirPods location. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Okay, so first up, make sure that your AirPods was once connected to your device. Okay, and then once that's confirmed, you can go ahead over to App Library and just find the app called Find My. Okay, right here. You're gonna want to tap on it. Tap on OK right here. And then once done, your AirPods will be available in this section. All right, so what you're going to want to do is just tap on the AirPods and then play a sound. So the sound will play if your AirPods is in range or connected, okay, or is currently connected to your phone. So play a sound right here. And if you hear a sound nearby, well, your AirPods might be close, okay? You got to locate that specific sound, and then after that, hopefully you found your AirPods. If not, you can go ahead over to directions or find a button right here. Just tap on it and it will give you the last known location where your AirPods was. And if you have the upgraded version of iOS, for example, you have the latest updates, when you tap on directions right here, it will give you a some sort of cue. It could be a sound or a display cue where you can just go ahead and use to find the AirPods. Now, if all else fails, you can go and scroll all the way down, and then you have the Mark as Lost button right here. You can tap on Activate, and then you will have all these options available. Just like maybe your AirPods cannot be used by someone, or if it's being used, the owner will receive a notification when the location becomes available again. All right, so just go ahead and hit on Continue, follow simple prompts, and once done, you should be good to go. That is it. That is how you find lost AirPods location. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.